Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are live. I'm going to go share on the pages while Mr. Handler, the man who is cruising right now in his office, the top personal injury attorney in New Jersey and New York, takes the wheel and cruise on personal injury. Adam Handler, welcome again to your show right here, obviously and evidently on 93.5 WVIP FM. And it's a blessing to be here. What's up?
Yeah, absolutely, man. Thank you so much. We've been doing this show in one form or another for over 16 years. Can you imagine, Squeeze? Nearly 2 decades together on 93.5 FM. Just letting everybody out there know who I am, what I do, and how I do it. And of course, by now, you should all know I am Adam Handler. I am your case handler, and I'm a personal injury attorney here in downtown New York City. I've obtained well over $135 million from my clients, primarily serving the Caribbean community. It's certainly the community that's embraced me for, I would say, 95% of my career, and certainly the community that I've embraced back. And I truly hope that everybody out there understands, that I just strive for excellence. I just want to do a good job for you, your brother, your sister, your mother, your father, your cousin, your neighbor. And trust me, throughout the years, I've helped thousands of people. So I've represented all of you. I've represented you. I've represented your brother. I've represented your cousin. I've represented your sister. And of course, regardless of your immigration status. So again, I'm here to just let you know I'm here for you. If God forbid you need me, I certainly hope that you are never involved in an accident, or somebody you care about is not involved in an accident. But bad things happen to good people. And as long as you know that the case handler is out there ready to fight for you, ready to be your response to that tragedy, then I've done my job today. My phone number is 844-774-3529. That's 844-774-3529. Those of you listening on 93.5 FM, thank you so very much. It means the world to me that you're with us this morning and every morning. If you can go one step further and check me out on Instagram, and check me out on Facebook. That really, I think, makes a difference, because as much as I say, bad things happen to good people, or you can never prepare for an accident, you can only prepare for your response. I also say that you should not be taking my word for it. I'm an attorney on this radio station, broadcasting live, broadcasting at the top of the hour, letting you know about my legal services. I hire radio stations, broadcasters, and DJs to help me amplify this message to you. The word you should be taking is those who have come before you, that never in a million years expected that they'd get into an accident, but unfortunately came into a very tragic situation. We have done an excellent job through the years in putting together what I like to say is a resume, in a way, a quilt, a collage of hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of people that have all vouched for your boy, the case handler, that have all vouched for my legal team and the excellent and exceptional legal services that we have provided. So those of you listening on the radio right now, you can go one step further. And like I said, on Instagram or Facebook, the case handler, see for yourself exactly what we've done over the years, the millions and millions and millions of dollars we've obtained for the thousands and thousands and thousands of people that trusted us, that trusted me, your boy, Adam Handler, third generation attorney, case handler, with their one and only shot at financial justice. Squeeze, you've helped me get the message out. The Irie Jam guys have helped me get the message out. But now I'm leaving it up to those individuals that I have helped, that can say with a straight face, a smiling face nonetheless, that Adam Handler is the best possible response to an accident situation.
Absolutely. And that's definitely true, ladies and gentlemen. Adam Handler has been the longest running, most consistent attorney on 93.5 WVIP FM in New York, a commercial licensed radio station. The longest running attorney, period. Not just immigration, not just any other thing. I'm talking about consistent attorney. Adam Handler has been the longest. He has been doing it for that long on this station, 16 solid years. And I'm very happy to have been a part of actually being instrumental in putting that in place. But, you know, I'm just the one that steers, you know, the vehicle. Adam Handler is the engine. Adam Handler is not the man. It's not me. I mean, Adam is dropping names and broadcasters and all of that. Yeah, folks, we're just a vehicle. But at the end of the day, it's all about the engine. Okay. Yes, we're just the physical building of the hospital. But at the end of the day, it's all about the doctor in the hospital. It's all about the doctors in the hospital. That's what Adam Handler is. If and when you do get hurt in an accident, I want everybody. Some of you may be driving in your car right now. You may be at home, on your way from work, on your way to work, wherever you are, and you're listening to the voice of this man, David Squeeze Anarchy, an immigrant who came to this country and built himself up from poverty to where I am. I am an immigrant. And when I found Adam Handler, I started sharing him with everyone. Why? Because I know his integrity. Why? Because I know he treats people like family. Why? Because I know he will do the right thing by you. So the message this morning that we're trying to convey to many of you, hundreds of thousands of you out there, yes, you do have options when you do get hurt in an accident. Yes, you do. You have options, okay? You have a lot of options. Now, how do you make a decision rather, on that personal injury attorney? Well, it's already done for you. Why? Because you have heard Adam Handler on this radio station, whether it's in the morning slot, whether it's at the top of the hour, whether it's in the afternoon slots, whether it's on the weekend on the Link Up program or top of the hour, he's here and he's not going anywhere. So I say to you, and I implore you to dial this number I'm about to give you for Adam Handler. We call him the case handler. Sometimes I call him the beast. Sometimes I call him the shark. In fun moments, we call him the hot stepper. We call him the Irie attorney. But one thing, ladies and gentlemen, he will fight tooth and nail to take care of you just like he takes care of his 3 girls and his wife. That's how hard he fights as a personal injury attorney. So here's the number, 844-774-3529. No, you're not going to get up and go out and get rear-ended now, or have an accident now, or have a slip and fall, or fall off the scaffolding on the construction sites you work on. No, it's not going to happen now. However, it may happen one day, maybe to you, maybe to a family member, maybe to a friend, maybe to someone you know, and you really want to be a good Samaritan, you want to be a good person, you want them to have the ultimate, the exceptional, the best, in my opinion, attorney when they get hurt in an accident. Ladies and gentlemen, do me a solid, do yourself a solid, do Adam a solid, dial his number now here on, what's today's date? Today's Thursday, right, Adam?
The 29th of April.
Dial this number now, 844-774-3529. That is 844-774-3529. I say it again, ladies and gentlemen, it's not about Squeeze. No, it's not about the radio station. It's not about other broadcasters. It's about this man, Adam Handler. He's a 3rd generation attorney. That simply means 2 generations before him, his father and grandfather was practicing personal injury. It doesn't get any better than that. So once again, my people, my immigrant people, I know what happens. Things happen out there. I've been through hell and back in my life, and probably will go through more hell, and we'll be back. But what keeps me up and above and afloat is having someone like Adam Handler, not only as a friend, but in the capacity of a true attorney, a true personal injury attorney. You deserve his number. Dial it, let it ring 15 seconds, and say, yo, Adam, I stored your number, man. God forbid I get hurt in an accident in New Jersey or New York. I got you. The number is 844-774-3529. That's 844-774-3529. If you're driving and you can't store the number, just remember this, 844-PPIDLAW. Go to his Instagram account, the case handler. Go to his Facebook account, the case handler. Go to his, ladies and gentlemen, his website, thecasehandler.com. Make sure you reach out to him. Once again, if you get hurt in an accident, many accidents do happen. 844-774-3529. Yes, Adam, I see you've got the page taken
Yeah,
over.
I wanted to briefly talk about, you just mentioned a construction scaffold accident. That was actually the testimonial Tuesday we posted this week. We didn't get a chance to talk about it yesterday, but he didn't want to take a photograph because he didn't want everybody to know he got 100 grand. But Squeeze, if you could just read that quote for me, I'd appreciate it.
This one is Charles from Queens, a scaffolding accident, construction accidents. It says here, they are swift, efficient, and got the job done. That's what Adam Handler is all about. That's why you dial 844 PPID law. That's 844-774-3529. Adam Handler did that. The case handler did that. I did that. Back to you, man.
Actually, in full disclosure, Matt Goodstein, my associate extraordinaire, he's the one that put the finishing touches on this case. He did a great job, but a true team effort. This is a construction accident, somebody that was hurt on the job, injured his back, injured his knees, did not require any surgery. We got all his medical bills paid, all his time out of work paid, and then, of course, another $100,000 tax-free on top of that. Ladies and gentlemen, like I said before, you can never prepare for an accident. You can only prepare for your response. I highly suggest that you consider your case handler to be your response to any serious accident. There are many good attorneys out there, but we are not all created equal. You got one shot to get it right, and that's why we say one chance, one choice, and I am your case handler. Have a wonderful day, everybody. Thank you so much for your support.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, the phone number for the top personal injury attorney on this station is 844-774-3529. Don't trust anyone else with your case. Trust Adam Handler, the case handler. 16 years can't be wrong. 844-774-3529. That's 844-PPID-LAW. Have yourself, on behalf of the case handler and myself, an amazing day.
It's 10 o'clock.
There you go. Facebook viewers, do us a solid. Please, we're asking you to share. Share what it is that you just heard. Share what it is that you just watched. Okay, let everybody else out there know what's going on. Don't leave it up to Alyssa on my marketing side. Don't leave it up to Ruti on Adam's marketing side.
I wanted to briefly.
Remember to follow also Instagram. Also follow, ladies and gentlemen, Facebook, The Case Handler. And jump on my page. I repost the stories from time to time of what it is that Adam Handler, Matt Goodstein, and his entire team has done. We are the Case Handler team, and I'm very happy to be a part of it, although I'm just on the marketing side. Love what it is that they do.
Thanks, please.
Take care, people.